Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith in for Rob. It is Friday, October 17th, 2025. Hope you're doing well. All right, folks, what a fantastic week here in the markets. Again, I requested more payouts this week. And as we look at today's opportunities, let me first start out here on the 5-minute chart on the NQ, showing you the volume profile. Okay, and the green dotted line was the gap from 4 p.m. close last night, okay, which was Thursday night. And what I mentioned in the WealthCharts live training room here, this is 9:30 Eastern, where I put the white line on here for you. And what I mentioned was watch the trap, watch for potential move down first, okay, because that's what the markets like to do. They like to have the initial fake out with the intent of it coming and filling this gap, okay, which it did, just before 10 o'clock here. And so we watched that kind of happen in action. But then what I looked for was to take a trade long once the fake out was over. We had it over the POC and that. So let me show you again where we were at. At the same time here, we were bullish on the Heikin-Ashi algorithm. But then when you go into the 1-minute chart here, folks, on the NQ. Okay, so right here is 9:30 open. We had the retracement. Then when we got back into a buy zone here, folks, I let the initial move happen, pull back, and then here was the entry. Okay, basically I got 20 ticks on the NQ and got out. But that was, again, what we look for. This is the common theme, right? This would have been another opportunity. We did not take this together. We were talking about this and how we traded it and ended up not taking this. But what we look for is exactly that. Okay, so back into the buy zone, flat Heikin-Ashi candles. Okay, we had a has overextended, Laguerre. We had a lot of good signals here, folks, telling us we're heading back higher. So if you want to learn how I'm doing this, remember I've had over 6 figures in just Apex payouts alone. I've had 5-figure payouts in the last 30 days. Requested more payouts this week, folks. If you want to learn how I'm doing it with my advanced Heikin-Ashi system, go to becomeabettertrader.com/yes. Again, becomeabettertrader.com/yes. Tomorrow, Saturday, October 18th at 10 o'clock Eastern, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I've been doing it, folks. Okay, so you do not want to miss out here, folks. This is a great opportunity for you. It's the last live training I'm going to have here in a while. So looking forward to seeing everybody there on the beautiful Saturday, 10 o'clock Eastern. Other than that, have a great rest of the day, folks, and hope you have a great rest of the week. Take care.